Welcome to CBS Automotive. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is featuring a 2018 Mercedes GLE 500E, which is a hybrid model. And what we've installed today is a detachable swan neck tow bar with a 7-pin dedicated wiring loom. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you press the subscribe button below and it will keep you up to date with all of our latest videos. In terms of what we're actually done today is an incredible amount of work. This vehicle and this install is not for the faint-hearted. What we've had to do is basically remove the bumper. Obviously what you've got in the back of the vehicle, if you own one of these and looking for a system, is you've got a actual cover for where you plug in to charge your vehicle for the hybrid system. That basically all needs to be removed and it's an immense amount of work. It's taken a full day for us to carry out the install. Basically bumper removal, as well as the fact that everything goes into given points from the manufacturer. The crash beam gets removed. Obviously what you've got on either side as well is a battery on one side and loads of electrics all crammed into the back area there, all hidden away behind the factory covers. When they're all removed, they're all exposed and they're incredibly difficult to work around. We do loads of installations on Mercedes and also we carry out installations for our local main dealerships. So you know your vehicle can be trusted here in Cambridge. So in terms of this system, basically what's involved: removing the bar, stripping it all down, removing that crash beam, mounting the new bar in, and on this vehicle it is absolutely massive, this bar, just like the crash beam that comes off. That goes in, and then basically the electrics are what's called a 7-pin dedicated wiring loom. We either do the 7-pin system or most commonly we do a 13-pin dedicated wiring loom as well. Just know that all of our systems are dedicated wiring loom. You might be thinking, what is dedicated wiring loom? I've not heard that term before. What I'm going to be doing is talking you through that a little bit more now. So in terms of what a dedicated wiring loom is, you've got two different options when you're choosing a tow bar. You either go down the route of a bypass electrics loom or you go down the route of a dedicated wiring loom. The reason why we only do dedicated wiring looms is because that is a safe way of installing and a safe way for you guys to tow. In terms of a bypass electric, it's just not a safe way on these brand new vehicles. They do not like that method of electrics, as well as the fact it's not safe. The reason why it's not safe is basically because bypass electric just hacks into the rear light feeds, basically using what's called a bypass relay, and it feeds into your trailer board or your caravan, for instance. However, a dedicated wiring loom goes into given points from the manufacturer, approved given points, that will then adapt the vehicle's ABS system, braking system, fuel system. The list is endless. It adapts so much in the vehicle and it makes the vehicle adapt and safe to tow as soon as you plug in your electrics. The vehicle's stock as normal, and as soon as you plug in your electrics into the 7 or 13-pin loom, into the socket at the back, the vehicle just adapts and changes completely. And that's why it's safe. If you're new to tow bars, you're looking into getting a system like this and you're unsure of what to look for, give us a call or come visit us and we'll go through every single detail with you. Make sure you guys are getting the right system for your vehicle. Whether it's a new vehicle, slightly older, whatever it is, you want the best, and that's why you should come over to us in Cambridge. Either search us on CBS Automotive on our website, we've got a whole tow bar section, or just come by, visit us, meet us. You can see where your vehicle is going to be worked on as well, which is quite key. In terms of this system, it's an immense amount of work, like I said, to carry out this sort of installation, so it's not for the faint-hearted. But if you are interested in something like this, make sure you get in contact with us. We've got full workshop facilities here in Cambridge as well as showroom, so we can show you how the detachable neck actually feels, how it looks, and also hopefully what it's going to look like on your vehicle. Whether you own a GLE or another vehicle, once you press that subscribe button below, you'll actually see different installations of tow bars that were carried out to get you guys get out there enjoying this lovely weather that we've got at the moment. So thank you very much, guys. Hopefully you've seen a little bit more about behind the scenes, as well as the fact about how you guys can get booked in with us. But thank you very much, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.